HAYPC. This video teaches you about computers in a fun way. We'll learn about the monitor, CPU, keyboard, mouse, and speakers. We start by turning on the computer. The monitor shows us what we're doing. The CPU is like the brain of the computer. The keyboard lets us type, and the mouse helps us click. Let's use the mouse to click on icons. Typing on the keyboard is so much fun. Each part has a special role in using a computer. Knowing how to use computers is super important today. You can do your homework, play educational games, stay connected with friends. Learning computers builds confidence. It helps you prepare for many future jobs. Understanding technology is essential in our world.